Sarah here from graceinmyspace.com. Today I am sharing all of my all-natural cleaning tips, tricks, recipes, hacks, all the things to keep chemicals out of my home in the cleaning process. So as I walk through my house and all the different things that I clean on a daily basis, really hard to clean things that I'm cleaning with all natural products, I will put all of the recipes, I'll put free downloads, I will put blog posts with more information all in the description. Make sure and check that out, and I will also put shopping links for the products that I use. So this is actually washed. This is a clean shirt, and you can see that it clearly did not get that deodorant buildup off of the armpit area. Here is another example where it's just discolored in that area. Start by getting your shirts wet, specifically on the armpit area. And then we're going to, you should probably just use a spray bottle, but I don't have an extra one right now. So just put some hydrogen peroxide right on that soiled area. And then I use my all-purpose spray, which I have the recipe on my blog. It's just a mix of all natural ingredients. This bottle is no good. And then I dump some baking soda, which gives it a bit of grit, so that you can scrub off that residue. And then this is the key, I just use a kid's toothbrush, clean obviously, and you really work it all in there, both sides. And then if the residue has seeped into the outside of your garment, do it there too. Ball them up, let them sit, and I do this first thing before I even sort the rest of the laundry so that these are ready to go in. Let them soak for about 45 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and put in the clothes that we're getting our armpit stains out of and wash them like normal. Let's take a look at those shirts, shall we? Just pulled it out of the dryer. This is the inside. See how there's no more discoloration? The real test is the black one. No more white residue. Now right around the sink base, you can see a little rust ring, hard water stains. There's hard water stains over here, and we are gonna get those off by soaking in a Thieves cleaner. Now I'm just gonna put some paper towel on top so that it stays moist. You can use rags as well, but I find that they soak up too much of the mixture, and then it defeats the purpose because it dries it out rather than keeping it moist. Let that soak for about a half an hour. While the paper towels are soaking on those hard water stains, I am gonna use my DIY soft scrub, and I am going to clean out the sink. But I wanted to let you know I will have a freebie download of 6 all-natural cleaning recipes in the description. Just click the link and you can subscribe to my newsletter, and you'll get that free download right in your inbox. This is one of the recipes included. It's really easy to use. If you have grates, just take the grates out, make sure and wash those separately. Take your DIY soft scrub, get a glob out, spread it around. I use these little scrubbies, set of 3, awesome set. I'll link them in the description. And you just scrub the solution everywhere. Really tough stains, you can let it sit for a little while, but I usually have no problem just rinsing it right off. And a very clean and shiny sink, no chemicals. One more trick is a natural drain cleaner. So dump some baking soda in there. And this is actually really fun for your kiddos to do. They'll think it's cool. Then add in some vinegar. Let that sit in your drain for a while and then run some hot water through. Some people also like to add a capful of Thieves cleaner. It adds some disinfectant and it adds some scent as well, and that's a great addition as well. This recipe is also on the download in the description. All right guys, now here's the part where I am gonna say this was recommended to me by my countertop manufacturers. So, don't go scratching your countertops, but this is what they told me to do, and it works on my quartz specifically. Just gently scrape all that loosened stuff off. Then I do the same on the countertop as well. That is buildup. It's not my countertop. I'm not shaving my countertop off. That is hard water buildup. Then I'm gonna do another real quick wipe down. Gonna use the paper towels that I had there, so I'm not wasting them. And as you can see, no more rust ring. One thing to note is that I have quartz countertops, so they handle all of these cleaners very well. Make sure and check into if you have marble that can etch a little bit easier, or if you have granite, sometimes that doesn't accept citrus very well. I don't want you taking a razor blade to your countertop and completely ruining it. Make sure and check with the manufacturer of whatever type and material of countertop that you have to ensure that this is safe for your home. One of the things that I like to do sometimes is reuse foam bottles. You know, it's left with the sticky residue when you take off the label, and lemon essential oil is perfect for getting all sticky residues off of bottles like this that you're trying to reuse. Like if you bought something at a yard sale and they put the price sticker on the glass of your picture frame or something like that, any sticky residue, lemon essential oil does miracles. See all that residue? Just put a couple drops on, rub it around, and take it right off. Chemical-free Goo Gone is basically what we're doing here. No more sticky residue. But while we have this out, it's getting low. We're gonna make our own soap. So first you're gonna fill it about 1/4 of the way with Castile soap. This is almond infused. I also have lavender infused. There's plain, but I thought almond would feel kind of fallish. So just dump it about 1/4 of the way full. Then add in your favorite scents of essential oils that will mix well with that, whatever your scent is. I'm gonna do about 20 drops, and then fill the rest of the way with distilled water. Put a little shake, and now you have DIY hand soap. This is also one of the recipes on the freebie linked in the description. Now there are some things that I don't use any cleaner for, I just use my cloths. These e-cloths are amazing, I love them. They are perfect for so many things. There's a lot of different cloths for different uses, but my favorite is the window and the polishing cloth. You get the window cloth wet, only water, that's the only ingredient, and then you use a dry polishing cloth, and these work amazing for windows, for mirrors, for glass on your picture frames, anything that you would normally use like a window spray for, replace with these 2 cloths, and then you just throw them in the wash. I use my body for some black drop. See the spots here? See them here? That's from my lovely children. You use the window cloth, and then you use the polishing cloth. No cleaning spray required. All right, the next thing that we're gonna make is a DIY room spray. I made myself a little funnel out of wax paper. So we're gonna do a dash of witch hazel. We're gonna do 10 drops each of purification and citrus fresh. Then we're gonna fill it up the rest of the way with distilled water. Give it a bit of a shake and you have a chemical-free room freshener. Bathrooms, it does good. All right, let's make some shower cleaner. We start with borax. Then I like to add essential oils next so that the vinegar washes the essential oils all the way fully down. I'm gonna do 10 drops of lavender. Lavender is a great antifungal. And we got lemon, 5 drops of lemon, which is really great for disinfection. And then a cup of white vinegar, distilled vinegar. That's it. Shake it up really good, get all that borax dissolved, and DIY shower cleaner. So the first thing that I do is I drop my DIY toilet bowl cleaner into the toilet before I do anything else so that it has time to soak. Tackle the kids' toys. I don't know about you, but these bags get really gross. The mildew, that's not old. That's been cleaned recently. So I first put all of the toys into the tub and soak them. because if you're not doing that, you really should. And then wash your mesh bag. I like to keep the toys completely solid in the bathtub whenever I can. No holes, no moisture gets inside of it, but I still soak the outside to clean those really well. So I spread out all the toys, I spray them with the shower cleaner and let them soak. Always shake up your shower cleaner real good before you spritz it. Make sure the borax is dissolved, and then just spray liberally everywhere. Alternatively, if you don't like the DIY version of all natural cleaning, you can also just use Thieves cleaner. Works great. I pay special attention to the grout lines, to the edges of the tub, to the edge of the niche, and obviously the fixtures. Basically the whole thing, but you know what I mean. Let that sit for a little while. While that's sitting, I'm gonna clean the sinks, the countertop, and the toilet, and then come back and finish out the tub. On this side of the bathroom, I use Thieves cleaner in the sinks, and then just my e-cloth, my bathroom e-cloth for the counters, for the faucets, and then I use the polishing cloth to top off the faucets. Thieves cleaner has a lot of great disinfectant in it, all natural. Start with the faucet. You can see all of the tarnishing from just needing to be cleaned. This is brushed nickel, which tends to show that more than others. So the e-cloth is made to be used with just water. So I wipe it down really good, and then I come back with the polishing cloth. But the polishing cloth gives this brushed nickel an incredible shine. Then I use this for the countertops, and I'll come back and finish out the sinks. Now I just gotta point out that I wore all dark clothes for a reason today. Black pants, dark top, no bleach splatters. That is one of the reasons that I love cleaning all natural, especially in the bathroom. No bleach. It's much healthier for your family, but it also doesn't bleach my clothes. Now, almost all of those cleaners had essential oils in them. If you are new to essential oils, it is basically just a plant extract. It's completely natural, but it's super concentrated so that you get all the benefits in just little bottles. I am a brand partner with Young Living, and if you're new to essential oils, I definitely recommend starting with a starter kit. It is the most economical way to go about it. It gets you a diffuser and then an assortment of oils, Thieves cleaner to try out, and it kind of gets you started on some of these things that I talked about today. And you also have a couple of options to get wholesale pricing for 24% off of the retail list. You can either start a subscription where you subscribe and save, and you get you can even just do one product every month or up to every 3 months, and you choose what you want to have delivered, and that automatically gets you that 24% off to get to wholesale. Or you can order up to 100 PV, which is just point value. Every one of their products has a point value, and if you order 100 PV, it gets you that 24% off for the entire year and free shipping for your order. Check it out in the link below. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope that these cleaning tips have been helpful to you as you try and make the switch to toxin-free cleaning in your home. Make sure and check out all the links in the description with more details, shopping links, recipes, downloads, all the things right down here. Make sure and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, share this with your friends, and I'll see you next time.